Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied School YouTube channel. This video is for play group. In this lesson, students are introduced to the number 2. By the end of this video, students will be able to recognize the number 2, understand the quantity of 2 through counting various objects. Let's get started our lesson. Students, be ready? Yes, what is this? Can you tell me? Yes, you are right. It's 1. Say 1. 1. You know, Allah is the only one creator of the world. Allah is the only one creator. One creator of the world. Students, show me your one finger. Hurry up. Show me your one finger. Yes, this is one finger. Oh, look at this picture. This picture looks very beautiful. And who are they? You know their names? Yes, they are monkeys. Yeah, this is big. This is a big monkey and this is a small monkey. And you know, what are they thinking about? They want to know about 2. Yes, they want to know about 2. They don't know about 2. No problem, we will help them. Yes, dear monkey, you are big and you are bigger than this one, and you know you are one monkey. You are one monkey. Okay, you are smaller than this one, and you know you are also one monkey. Yes, you are also one monkey. And dear monkeys, you know you are both 2 monkeys. Yes. Students, they are both 2 monkeys. 1, 2. 1, 2. How many monkeys? You are both 2 monkeys. Okay. Dear students, have you ever seen the number 2 before? No. I will show you. Yes, this is 2. This is called 2. This is 2. Yes, look at this picture. They are very dangerous animals, you know. Can you name them? Yeah, this is a lion and this is a tiger. You know, lion is the king of the jungle and a tiger can run very fast. But students, can you tell me what are they doing? Yes, they want to cross the river. Can you tell me who will cross the river first? Who will cross the river first? Yes, lion, because lion is stronger than a tiger. Yes. And can you tell me how many lion and how many tigers? Yeah, this is only one lion. One lion and one tiger. And you know they are both 2 animals. Yes. 1, 2. Say 1, 2. Say 1, 2. They are both 2 animals. Yes, they are 2 animals. How many animals? 2 animals. Oh, look at these kittens. They are very naughty. Yes, they are playing together. Students, can you tell me how many kittens are there altogether? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. It means there are 2 kittens. How many kittens? 2 kittens. Yes, there are 2 kittens. Look at this picture. They are children and you know they are playing with their toys. Yes, tell me how many children are there? 1, 2, There are two children. There are two children. Yes. Who are they? They are boys and they are singing. They enjoy singing. How many children are there? One, two, one, two. There are two children. Yes, you are right. There are two children. Look at these girls. What are they doing? They are reading. They enjoy reading. They love reading. Yes. How many girls are there? Two girls. Yes, there are two girls. How many girls? Two girls. Yes. Allah gives us two eyes. One, two. We all have two eyes. Allah gives us two eyes. We thank to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yes, students, Allah gives us two ears. One, two, one, two. How many ears? Two ears. Yes, Allah gives us two hands. How many hands are there? Two hands. We thank to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yes, how many fingers are there? How many fingers are there? Yes, you are right, two fingers. Now hurry up, show your two fingers. Yes, hurry up. Very nice, excellent. Now it's your task. You have to tell me how many things you can see. First, tell me what are they? Yes, you are right, they are trees. And tell me, first count and tell me how many trees are there? Yes, two trees. Two trees. Yes, in this picture you can see a red flower and you can see a blue flower. And how many flowers are there altogether? Count and say. Two flowers. Yes, you are right. One, two. Two flowers. Oh, what a beautiful fish. They are beautiful fish. Yes, count and say how many fish are. Yes, you are right. Two fish. Two fish. They are glasses of water. Yes, how many glasses of water? You can see two glasses of water. Yes, you are right. Two glasses of water. Yes, students, here you can see the formation of two. Yes, it's very important for you. Look at the pencil is moving up and then round and down, round, down, round, down, down, and then to the right. Yes, direction. Yes. First we go up and then moves round, round, and then down, down, round, down, down, then moves to the right. Yes, then moves to the right. Then moves to the right. Yes. Yes, this is the formation of two. Yes, students. Now it's your task. You have to find all the twos. How many twos are there? You have to tell to your parent. Recognize and tell where are the twos. Okay? It's your work. Yes. Now, dear parents, give the child different objects that are two in quantity. Ask him or her to count them and say the number. बच्चों को मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म की चीज़ें आप दे सकते हैं जो क्वांटिटी में टू हो और फिर उनसे पूछें, उनसे कहें कि वो उसको काउंट करें और फिर आपको बताएं वो कौन क्या नंबर है. ठीक है? Number two, for recognition of two, show him or her any book, calendar, etc. Then ask him or her to find out the number two. کوئی بھی کتاب کیلنڈر آپ انہیں دے سکتے ہیں، اس میں نمبرز اگر موجود ہیں تو اس بچوں کو پوچھیں بچوں سے کہ ٹو نمبر کو آپ کو وہ سرکل کر کے بتا دیں، تلاش کریں اور آپ کو بتائیں کہاں کہاں ٹو ان کو نظر آ رہا ہے. یہ ریکگنیشن آف ٹو ہے اور بڑی امپورٹنٹ ہے، بہت امپورٹنٹ ہے. نمبر 3، آسک دا چائلڈ ٹو میک ٹو ان دا ایئر. جی فارمیشن کی پریکٹس کروانی ہے، لیکن ڈونٹ گیو دیم پینسل، ڈونٹ گیو ہم اور ہر پینسل. Ask the child to make two in the air. She should follow correct direction. He or she doesn't lift his or her finger while making two. جی ٹو کو بناتے ہوئے کہیں بھی وہ اپنے فنگر کو لیفٹ نہیں کریں گے، اٹھائیں گے نہیں، ایک ہی ڈائریکشن میں ایک ہی اسٹروک میں یہ ٹو بنے گا. دا چائلڈ کین میک ٹو ایٹ دا ڈفرینٹ سرفیسز. بچہ ٹو کو جو ہے مختلف سرفیسز میں بنا سکتا ہے، ٹیبل پہ، بک پہ، کبرڈ پہ، آپ اس سے بنوائیں. یو کین گیو ہم اور ہر ٹریسنگ آف نمبر ٹو، اور ٹریسنگ آف نمبر ٹو بھی دے سکتے ہیں اسے، اور اس سے کہیں کہ وہ اپنی فنگر سے اس پر ٹریس کریں، لیکن پینسل نہیں دیجیے گا. رائٹنگ پریکٹس آپ نے پینسل سے نہیں کروانی، وہ انشاءاللہ ٹیچرز کی نگرانی میں ہوگی. جزاک اللہ. تھینکس فار واچنگ دس ویڈیو. السلام علیکم.